everyone. Welcome. This is just a very informal sort of like cook together, have a batch of something so that times feel a little bit less stressful group cooking activity. As we go along, I'll show you how I like to cut and prep things, and if you want me to like look at how you're doing it and maybe make some adjustments, or you have like comments or questions or whatever, just like interject at any point.
Which of these should I use?
Right now, the only thing in my stock pot is a handful of carrots. I also have rosemary. Should I put that in or wait on that?
Yeah, why the hell not?
We have rosemary. Should we put that in?
Yeah, should we also add that?
Rosemary?
Yeah.
Sure. I have some too.
I've got these 2 pots, which are my big pots. Is one too big?
Do you think I can make the stock in an oven?
Is Mark gonna burn his cabin down?
I have an on-brand with my Nosh with Tosh t-shirt.
Here is our sausage. When I add all my vegetables, there's not like a ton of extra fat sort of like at the bottom of the pan or anything. But if you want, you can add a little extra.
Or are you gonna add a can of beans?
Yeah, I'm trying to branch out during this trying time.
Is cannellini a white bean? I mean, I know it is white, but is it a white bean?
Are we almost there?
Hey, if my garlic's kind of squishy, is it fine probably?
Any thoughts or feelings? Does anybody have any questions or want me to look at their screen?
I think we're ready to eat it. I mean, do you want to eat that?
Yeah, heck yeah, I do.
Woo!
Yay!
Happy
everybody!
Bye.
Mwah.